Hi guys, today I will show you some custom icon packs. So first of all, I have Polygon icon pack. So this is the most favorite icon pack I love the most, and as you can see, the icons are in this icon pack is really awesome and vibrant in colors as well. So this icon pack does have more than 5,000 icon packs. So this one is really useful for you. And then I have this one. This is a called Sinus. So this is also an icon pack called Sinus. You can download it from Play Store, and as you can see, it's a bit of red color in the theme, so everything is got red in the color. So next I have Candy. So it's a icon pack which is for maybe for the girls, or you can also use this in, you can find different kind of icon in this. Just like this is the browser, so I mean it's totally different from any kind of other icon packs as well. And this is the Chrome browser, and it looks pretty different from other icon packs. So you must have to download this icon pack to have you in this phone. So next we have this icon pack which is called Flu 2. So this icon pack is also a good and decent icon pack, I have to say, because of its clean look. So as you can see, it is a clean icon pack with the simple looking awesome icons. So everything is a bit of round shaped, you can see pretty much here, and a bit of small. And so if you need a clean look in your phone, you must download it. So at next I have Round icon pack. So round icon pack, I think one of the good icon packs I love the most, and this icon packs is a good one. You can use this icon pack. You can find it in Play Store easily. So yeah. So the rounder icon pack is also good icon pack, I have to must say. So these are my top 5 icon packs, what you can like and choose from it, and you can customize your phone totally with it. And in this time I am customizing my Lava A97 by this kind of icon pack. So it's a really awesome icon pack for yourself too, and go check in the Play Store and you can download it. And if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I am signing out.